finding heat energy. And the example here is how much heat in kilojoules has to be removed from 225 grams of water to lower its temperature from 25.0 degrees Celsius to 10.0 degrees Celsius. And then the specific heat for water is 4.184 joules over grams Celsius. Here's the problem. So if you want to pause it and write it down, you can. Okay. So first we're going to figure out the equation is Q equals mc delta T, which is the change in temperature. Okay, so Q represents heat energy, M represents the mass, C represents the specific heat, and delta T represents the change in temperature, which is final minus initial. Okay, so first we're going to figure out what Q is, and well, Q is what we're going to be finding, so we're going to put a question mark by that, just like that. Then we have M. The mass is 225 grams. And then C, specific heat, is the 4.184 joules divided by grams Celsius. And then the delta T is temperature final minus temperature initial. And the final temperature is 10.0 degrees Celsius, and the initial is 25.0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I've identified all of my variables, except for Q, because that's what we're finding. And so then you can set up your equation. Okay, so it's going to be Q equals 225 grams times 4.184 joules divided by grams degrees Celsius times temperature final minus temperature initial, which is 10.0 degrees Celsius minus 25.0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now all you do is set it like that. Now all you do is plug that into the calculator. So it's going to be 225 times 4.184 times 10.0 minus 25.0, and that equals 14,026.86 negative 1426.86, like that. Okay, and then from there you're going to look and see how many significant figures you're going to need. And so you're only going to need 3. So you're going to have to move the decimal place over 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's going to be equals negative 1.4 times 10 to the 4th, just like that. And that's going to be in joules, because Q is supposed to be in joules, and when you cancel everything out in the equation, you cancel grams and then degrees Celsius, and that leaves you with joules. So therefore your units is joules. Okay, now they ask for kilojoules in the equation, so you're going to convert 1.41 times 10 to the 4th joules to kilojoules, and 1 kilojoule equals 1 times 10 to the 3rd joules. And so you write it like that so that the joules will cancel out, and then you just plug that into your calculator. And you get negative 14.1 kilojoules. And that is your answer. Thank you.